Hi, to enhance images and video with AI on your Xiaomi 13, you will need to go into phone settings first and from here select display and brightness tab. After that, scroll down and you'll see this feature AI image engine. First thing we can do is go in super resolution and enable it so we can now upscale the resolution of videos. But be aware that this feature slightly increases power consumption. So if you want to enhance videos, just tap on the switcher and it will light up blue and be enabled. Let's go back and select the second section, which is AI image enhancements. We can enable enhance images by tapping on the switcher to allow identify objects and dynamically adjust display effects. This feature slightly increases power consumption, only images from Gallery app can be enhanced, and this feature won't work if you choose to display original colors or applied advanced adjustments. Now let's go in the third section, AI HDR Enhancement. We can also enable it by tapping on the switcher, and by the way, here you can see the example with the disabled feature and enabled. So now, you can process videos using HDR effects to bring out more detail in the lighter and darker areas. And here we got this feature as well, which is MEMC. We can enable it by tapping on the switcher and add additional frames to videos to make content appear smooth and transitions lively. And also this feature increases power consumption as well. And to disable it, just tap on the switcher like that. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.